The build tools for the Winton are built from these guys. These are common micro screwdrivers with stainless steel shafts. And all we need to do is take the shaft and cut off this little bit here, and we've got a build tool. That's what we want to do. The build tools for the Winton have a 2.4 or 3 millimeter shaft size. So either use the Phillips head bits that say 2.4 and 3, or the Phillips bits that say PH1, PH0. The finished size of the tool should be 65 millimeters tall. And that's for both the 3 millimeter and the 2.4 millimeter. Using a ruler, mark 65 millimeters on the shaft of the screwdriver. Using the heavy wire cutters, make a mark right where you've put your line. This will help you guide your cut. To cut down the screwdrivers, start by clamping the screwdriver to your work surface. Then, using the saw you wish to cut it with, start making your cut. The edge of your cut will be a little rough, so using some sandpaper, smooth it out. As you can see, the piece that comes off is just solid steel, and that can go in the bin.